In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in DuckDuckGo. This quick adjustment lets you choose a look that's easier on your eyes and better suited to your environment, whether you prefer a crisp, bright page or a softer, low-light layout. The process is the same idea whether you're using the DuckDuckGo website in a browser or the DuckDuckGo app. Start by opening DuckDuckGo. Look to the top right corner of the page for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click or tap that icon to open the drop-down. From there, select Settings. This is where all the customization controls live, including the visual options. Inside Settings, locate the section labeled Appearance and Language. That's the area that controls how DuckDuckGo looks. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a little. It's usually near the top, but the exact placement can vary. Once you're there, you'll see the theme options. Choose the theme that fits your preference. Light gives you a bright background and high contrast, which is great for well-lit rooms and general daytime use. Dark switches to a dark background with lighter text, which is more night-friendly and can be easier on the eyes in dim environments. If you see Automatic or System, pick that to have DuckDuckGo follow your device's theme. When your computer or phone is set to dark mode, DuckDuckGo will match it. When your device is set to light mode, DuckDuckGo will switch accordingly. If Automatic or System doesn't appear, that simply means it's not available on your current setup. After making your selection, scroll down and choose Save and Exit to apply your choice. This step is important. If you close the page without saving, your theme might not stick. Once you save, the change should appear right away. If it doesn't update immediately, a quick page refresh usually does the trick. A few helpful notes. The theme setting is typically stored in your browser or app preferences. If you're using private browsing or you regularly clear cookies, you may need to set your theme again later. Also, if you use DuckDuckGo on multiple devices or browsers, set the theme on each one to keep your experience consistent. You can switch themes anytime by returning to the same settings area and repeating these steps. That's all you need to customize the look of DuckDuckGo. Pick the theme that feels best, save your changes, and enjoy a search experience that fits your style and lighting conditions.